the attraction of the largest cat on the planet. Deep eyes and clear stalking footsteps. Act decisively and forcefully. The beautiful animals did not escape a tragic death. A tiger, the world's largest forest predator, uses the noises and darkness of a storm to get within striking distance of deer. When two beautiful animals face each other, the outcome is set. The stag is not agile enough to escape the claws of a predator. Do you like the tiger's seductive hunting style? This dog thought that the tiger was fast asleep, so he was in a hurry to pass the tiger. This is exactly a scam. The tiger suddenly jumped up and grabbed its dad. Truly a sly tiger. Do you see how beautiful the dog was? Do you hear the cry of the baby sheep? It begs the predator to give it a way to live, but the predator's instincts will not be swayed by the frail appearance of the prey. That only provoked the tiger to finish the killing faster. Can you feel the excitement of this tiger? Its tail was wagging. It seemed to send some good signal. Right. It began to move and disappeared into the thicket of trees. A few seconds later, there was the loud scream of a pig. Do you hope it survives? The boar was drunkenly grazing without knowing that danger was near. It caught the tiger's green eye, eyes filled with death. The tiger started to act. It unleashed a decisive attack to capture the boar. A large tiger was staring intently at the deer herd. After a moment of careful observation, it moved towards its prey. It tries not to make a loud noise. Every movement is filled with calculation. Suddenly, the tiger turned its head and changed its speed at a dizzying pace. The deer herd panicked at its aggressive attack. It caught a beautiful deer. The wise tiger hid behind the green trees. The chance of success in this hunt increases when a careless deer is approaching the tiger's hiding place. Taking advantage of the opportunity, the predator quickly attacked and killed the prey. The poor deer was struggling to pull its paw out of the tiger's mouth. It used all its strength to move forward. The tiger did not give up. It bit the deer's bleeding leg. Suddenly, the tiger jumped up, biting the neck of the prey and knocking it down. It is ready to enjoy its prey. The black bear is an aggressive animal, rarely afraid of any predators. It must be emphasized that the illustrious reputation of the forest lords cannot be underestimated. The tiger carefully approached the cove from behind. There is no easy prey. The lion struggled with it for several minutes before successfully taking it down. A delicious meal is the worthy reward for its hunting efforts. This cow, with wide eyes and innocence, never thought its life would end so quickly. It was completely helpless by the bites that cut off the airway in its throat. As strong as buffalo, it also cannot escape the clutches of dangerous predators. A buffalo was caught by it. A cry of pain resounded through the clearing. Immediately, the herd of buffaloes came and together they worked together to chase away the tiger to save their fellow human beings. Very touching scene. No matter how strong the enemy is, the power of unity cannot be overcome. This tiger is very smart. It captures a large gaur in the blink of an eye. It used strong teeth to hold the gaur's neck so that the large animal could not resist.